So this is the brand new MacBook Pro 2020. As you can see, it's the latest model, the latest and the greatest, and I'm glad to have here. Thank you very much. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and my name is Sadman, and today we have a very special video. We have finally got here our new MacBook Pro 13-inch 2020. This is the base model, nothing with it. By the way, I do have the student bundle. This basically gives you with the 180 pound, I think 4 or 5 softwares. With that comes Final Cut Pro, which is the software that I need. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so when it comes to the spec of my computer, I have 1.4 GHz quad-core 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, and I have Intel Iris Plus graphics 645, and with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD storage. In addition to that, I have Education Bundle, which gives you 5 software with one-off payment of 180 pound in UK, and that gives you Main Stage 3, Final Cut Pro, Compressor, Motion, and Logic Pro 10. When it comes to the unboxing experience, I heard that Apple is the best. So now, let's see. Okay, so now let's open this in 1, 2, and 3. There you go guys. This is the space gray color. It's a little bit more darker than the gray color. Okay, so we have a cord. Of course, this is a USB Type-C Thunderbolt. So yeah, and the manual, which none of us reads, and of course we have the UK plug because I live in UK, and the adapter. So everything is premium, as I'm feeling, and very heavy guys. Even the box, as you can see, is empty. Is very heavy and feels like premium, feels like expensive. I wasn't expecting this heavy MacBook. I was expecting much lighter, but actually it's very heavy, which is good guys. Very good. Now let's just open this for the sake, but I don't think that you are most interested in instructions. So anyway, so as you can see, this is just the starting guide. There was so many tutorials online, so there is no need to read this. Then we have some bunch of random stuff, which yeah. And look at this guys, I wasn't expecting space gray sticker. Of course gonna be white. Okay, so now Type-C Thunderbolt. It is quite a long cable as well. Okay, so we have UK plug. There you go. I'm just unwrapping it. So everything feels premium guys. Even the wrapping paper of this adapter feels premium. So I'm just assembling the charger here. Okay, there you go. We have assembled the charger. There goes USB Type-C both sides, so very convenient. You can just plug either way, it doesn't matter. I would really like the previous type of cable. So now hopefully if I just open it, the Mac should turn on automatically. Let's just see. There you go guys, it automatically turned on. So as you can see now, I'm just selecting the language, and so let me look for the country now. We are connecting to the Wi-Fi network now. Guys, I don't know if you do change the Wi-Fi password, but I do. And my Wi-Fi password is long and also very difficult to guess. So yeah, I keep my Wi-Fi secure. As you can see, it's very long. And then we have some terms and conditions. And now we have to sign in with our Apple ID. Because I actually created previously my Apple ID, so I'm just gonna insert it. And now we are just accepting some terms and conditions. We are creating a computer account. So yeah, I'm just inserting the password and stuff. And let me just complete this step as well. Okay, so now you can see the iCloud is running, and it will take you some time. Obviously you have 5 GB of iCloud storage free once you purchase Apple device. Then you can of course upgrade it. So now I'm just setting up a bit more stuff here. So find my phone, yeah, so analytics and stuff. Just keep continuing. Screen time, very important guys. Screen time is new to this Mac OS. Okay, now so let's set up our Siri. Yeah, as you can see, I'm just say some commands and setting up the Siri. Things like hi Siri, open the documents and stuff like that. So just simple basic command just to allow Siri to recognize my voice. Successfully set up the Siri. Okay, file vault disk encryption. I don't really need this. And now let's set up the Touch ID. So I'm placing the finger a few times. Touch ID is ready. So now in future I can use my Apple Pay with Touch ID, so I can purchase this by using my Touch ID. And also we have True Tone display. Let me just set up that. Alright, there you go. We have finally installed our new MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching, and please make sure that you like, comment and share, and most importantly subscribe on my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.